Hello, welcome to the Adobe Illustrator Masterclass, Adobe Illustrator Complete Mega Course Beginner to Advanced. In this chapter 5, we can learn transformation, tool and documentation properties. Let's begin. This is Illustrator. We have to draw something like ellipse. Okay, so we can rotate this by using this arrow. Okay, so if rotation is done by this itself, so why need this transformation tool? Okay, so let me explain you. Rotate object around a fixed point. Okay, like that. If you have to point a fixed point, you can rotate this around the fixed point. Okay, or you can rotate by this by any point. Okay, so this tool is used to fix point. You can fix this point. I want to fix this point here, and I want to rotate this object to around this point. Okay, so transformation, we can transport and copy this same object in multiple times. So this tool is very important. Okay, there is a 3 tool also: scale tools, reflect tool and snare tool. Okay, so first tool is rotation tool. Okay, so let me draw something interactive. Star. Okay, I want to, this star should be multiple time around the circle. Okay, just remove this. I want 90 degree, just like. Okay, so let me fix some point here, and I want to rotate this object to around this point. Okay, just select this, just a minute, select this object and rotate this. Just a minute. Just a minute. Okay, I want to rotate this object to this point, around this point. Okay, so you can click this object and rotate this object to around this point. Okay, I want to repeat this object is around this point. Okay, so just press the Alt button and they will show you the degree, then copy. Okay, just a minute. I want to object this point, object, press the Alt key and release this object. Release this Alt key and Control D to paste this same object is multiple time. Okay, so within a second you can make some attractive design like that. I want something different again. This polygon. Okay, I want polygon of 9. Okay, this is the polygon, and I want this polygon to repeat multiple time on my point. This is my point. Okay, I want to rotate this. Okay, but without Alt you can't copy. Okay, just select this object, Alt key and paste it. Release this Alt key and Control D to repeat object. That's all. Okay, so what is the difference between this rotate tool and this manual rotation? this manual rotation, we can rotate your object is not any fixed direction. Okay, but with the help of this rotation tool, we can rotate this object is particular point. This is the point I want to define, and I want to rotate this all the, just select all everything, select one point there, and I want to rotate this object around this point. Okay, so if you want to repeat this circle around the point, so just press the Alt key and release this Alt key, Control D to repeat multiple times. Within a second, you can repeat multiple objects in same direction. Okay, just I will show you again one example, because the Control D is very important to repeat the some object. Okay, so I want to make some another ellipse. Okay, I want to make this ellipse. Okay, and I will go to rotate tool, define this point, and press the Alt key before the click, like that, and release this Alt key, Control D to repeat around the point. This is the rotation tool. Okay, and another is right click scale tool. You can scale this object like that, or you can scale multiple object is one click, just like that. Alt key and Control D. Okay, so repeat Alt key, just a minute, let me show you. Repeat tool, rotation tool. I want this tool to copy. Okay, Control D to repeat again, like that. Okay, now if you select this object, this property will be show here. Just a minute. Now I want to show you the property of particular object. If you select this object, this window will be show the property of this object. Okay, if I click the background or document, this is the property of document. Okay, not a object. Okay, this is the property of document. So in this video, I will explain you what is the property of open document. Okay, so in this document, we can change the unit. This is the unit of this circle. What is the unit of this, and what is the size of this ellipse? So you can simply here the X, Y, height and width. Height 142 pixel. Okay, if I want to the unit of this object is inch. Okay, now you can click, here is the inch, 1.9 inch and 3.1 inch. Okay, if you know the minimum unit, you can click here, the unit will be changed. Okay, and next is a artboard. You can use the multiple artboard like that. If you want to design a multiple artboard in pages, means just one page you can draw, or you can choose a multiple artboard here from. Okay, you can change from here, edit artboard, and you can add one more artboard. Okay, or remove this artboard, like that. Second one is a color guide. you can change the color of background like that. Okay, background color guide, or color you can choose the object color, you can change the color. And properties, artboard option, this is the same, everything is same. And click the artboard and color guide. Just a minute. Let me show you one thing. Next property of document is roller and grids. If you on this roller, click to show the roller like that. If you want some roller like that to arrange the object like that, you can arrange it. So the roller. Okay. So where is my object? So you can fix the particular area to my object should be in this areas. Okay. So this is the property. And next is the grid. Click to show the grid. Okay, this is the grid. If you know how to grid is work, this is very important. Grid. Okay. Now if you want to print this page with transparent, so just object will be show in your color pages. If you want to print this object in yellow color, by default is white color, but if you want to the object only in red color print out, so you should have to on this transparent background. Okay. And next is the guides. You can on this guide, or you can lock this guide, so we can't remove or we can't up down this guide. If you unlock, you can. Okay, so guide is very important. If you draw this line in between this, and if you want something like ellipse to draw, and this ellipse should be the line, so there is a no indicator to this line is straight line. Okay, but if you on this, just a minute, indicator smart guides, so if you open this, or this is the guide, if you go to there, this will show you the color changes. Okay, small guides, or you can click to lock guide. Okay, second one is snap option, on or off. Okay, snap option is on or off. You can go there, then snap option will be on or off. Okay, and keyword increment. If you want, just a minute, I will show you what is the use of keyword increment. Just I want to, these two should be here. Okay, and I want to move this object some particular. Okay, so just click here, document setting, and here I want to move this object 1 inch each time when I click the arrow key, right arrow key, left arrow key, up, down, left, right, 1 inch should be move. Okay, so keyword increment is very important. If you draw something in particular areas, so this keyword increment is very important. Okay, baki everything is good. And now color, you can fill the color of this object by here, or stroke, you can increase the stroke size like that, or you can fill this object in color like that. You can click here to fill the color. And second one is the opaque color. You can stroke size, you can increase from here, or you can opacity, you can change the opacity 50% or 30%. This color will be opaque will be down. Okay, and the next one is arrangement. If I want some object over here like that, some more object is ellipse. This is the ellipse. Okay, and I want to arrange alignment, horizontal alignment of everything. 3 object I have selected, and I want to horizontal alignment left. This everything is left. Okay, now I want to center alignment. I want to this circle will be center of, just a minute, I will just show you. Fill this color is white. Now fill. No stroke or 1 point. Okay. Now I want to this circle will be the center of this rectangle. Okay. Just click this, select both the object, and this is for horizontal center alignment. I want to the center of this circle in here. So just click here. So circle will be center of this rectangle. Okay. So this property also is good. And alignment object, center alignment, up, down, everything is there. Distributor also is this. I will explain one by one and later whenever is used is come. Okay. So I want to fill this object in red color. Just click here, red color. Okay. Fill this object is red color. Okay. So we will meet you in the next video. Thank you.